Hello friends, myself Dr. Satish Shane, working as a pediatrician in Sanvi Children's Hospital over a decade now.
Hello friends, I am Dr. Amok Shane. We work together at Sanvi Children's Hospital and both of us are blessed with two beautiful daughters, Sanvi who is 12 years old and Sagarika who is 6 years old. And as a part of Daughters Day, which will be celebrated for the International Adolescent Week from March 21st to 27, 2021, we would like to share our experience as the proud parents of two sweet daughters. So, Dr. Satish, what do you feel to be the proud father of two beautiful daughters that we have?
Yeah, actually I have come from the rural background where always the importance is given to the male child, rearing the male child, giving education to the male child. But over a time, it has been now proven that even given an equal opportunity to male and female child, both will rear or grow in a good way and they will be a support to the family always. The females are never, like, we should not underestimate them, because pre-independence era also we got so many women who is fighting for our country, and after independence they are working in various fields, like including they are scientists, sports person like Sania Nehwal, PV Sindhu, Mary Kom, many more names to there, and also in fields where it's supposed to be the only field of male initially, like in scientists where they are now sending the rockets to the uh, moon, Mars, everywhere there is a, I would say, some kind of important work is being done by the females. So, Dr. Amok, do you feel any need of male boy in our family now?
Not really, because I feel that daughters are a blessing for us because I see a part of myself in them. I cherish my moments with them, and I feel that if we give them a good education, give them good values, and spend quality time with them and teach them to be good human beings, and with a beautiful education, they can be fantastic individuals. But Dr. Satish, do you ever feel that since we don't have a male child, we might not be having anybody to take care of us in our old age?
That's like everybody's questions and always in the mind. But giving an equal opportunity to male and female, both rear very well and can be support to family, as I already told. So the woman's or the girl child is never lesser than the male child, because she can do a thing which is equal to the male. She can do her work, she can be a good into her work in the future, support the family of own as well as the parents. And definitely here I'd like to give one mention that we should always think of giving one child to the nation, or one child we should donate to the nation to support. I would say may not be front line. We cannot send each and every child to the defense or in the front line, but we should give them the opportunity to serve the nation, and also we should give them human values where they should naturally, they from within they should take the responsibility, social responsibility about their parents, future in-laws, and also the nation. So I don't think any need of separate male child to I would say in our old age. We should be independent always, even though we got a male child or female child, we should be independent. We should not be dependent on any side. In fact, we should make ourselves so empowered that we should support them.
Okay, that's very well said, Dr. Satish. So, friends, I would just like to conclude that daughters are a very important part of our family because of the love they give us, the togetherness and the thoughtfulness that they show, and the memories they help us to create. So, happy Daughters Day to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you all.
Hello friends, I am Dr. Abhijit Mapankar. I wish all the wonderful parents a happy Daughter's Day. Most of them wonder, why do we celebrate Daughter's Day when there is no such celebration for a son? Is one superior over the other? Not really. In fact, being blessed by a son or a daughter is the most reward gift which the Almighty can give to the couple. We must understand, we need a child as much as a child needs parents. But unfortunately, in India, large parts, the patriarchal system still exists, where the daughter's birth isn't a reason to celebrate. Hence, this celebration of a Daughter's Day is to give the society a message at large that daughters are also equally revered gift of the Almighty. Be it a son or a daughter, they have their unique way of giving love and affection to their parents. Myself, being blessed by a daughter, have been fortunate to get the love and affection of a girl child. Wise men say, you become a better pediatrician after you become a father. I would like to add, you become a much better pediatrician with motherly instincts if you are a father to a daughter. As a male, you grow from a son to a husband and then a father. But I think this process is completed by the daughter, by making that male a better father, an understanding husband, and a loving child to his parents. She makes him understand it's okay to casually chat to your parents without addressing a problem or a concrete issue, which most of the sons do. It's okay to go shopping for your wife, your sister, and try to remember their favorite colors, their favorite dresses, the texture of the dresses, and so on and so forth. It's okay to just shed off the tough image of a male and have teary eyes. She makes her father understand it's okay to just enjoy a female talk once in a while. Pauravi, my 15-year-old daughter, has brought all these changes in me, and I thank the Almighty for blessing me with such a wonderful daughter. And I hope each one of you is also blessed with a daughter. Thank you so much, and wishing again all of you a very, very happy Daughter's Day. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sabrina Abhijit Mapankar. Wish you all the lovely parents a very happy Daughter's Day. Both Abhijit and myself are happy to have been blessed by a daughter. And never ever have we felt or will feel the need of a son above a daughter. As a daughter, affection, understanding, kindness comes naturally to her. She is not only physically and mentally strong, but she is sensitive too. I think by not bearing any preferences in our mind, it has allowed her to blossom into an intelligent, independent, and responsible girl that she is. I agree that in the yesteryears, when girls used to get married, they would leave their parents' house, they would take on the identity of their husbands, and their role in their parents' family would be minimal. But now, with the right education and women empowerment, I think things are changing. Girls are becoming more independent and they can take on any responsibility. They have even started keeping their maiden names, which is where they don't erase or lose their past identity. Also, our judiciary has recognized their roles and their rightful legal place in their families. I think with these changes, the societal pressures of bearing a son over a daughter would be soon diluted. Any child is a blessing for any parent, be it a boy or a girl. Every child is unique in its own way, and every child has the ability to make a parent complete. So let us all come together and celebrate a daughter. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Pauravi and I'm blessed with two wonderful parents. It is every girl's right to live and grow with equal opportunities without any discrimination. And I have truly got it. Be it sports of any sort, from badminton, football, or cricket to traveling outdoors on my own. My parents have never stopped me. They have always encouraged me to be strong and independent and use my freedom wisely, as well as responsibly. This has instilled in me a confidence that I can bring fame and honor to my family and take care of them. You just need to believe that it is not just a boy who can carry your legacy, but every girl can become Lata Mangeshkar and Queen Elizabeth, who have carried their family's name for over a century now. Happy Daughter's Day. Enjoy being a daughter.